Hi guys, good morning. Kagigising ko lang. It's already 1 p.m. And anyway, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Professor T-Rex, and in this video, I'm just going to update and make some clarifications regarding the Dragonary na NFT game. Okay, so let's start. Ayan, kagigising ko lang. Grabe yung overtime kanina no sa Telegram. Anyway, ayan no, pag-uusapan natin yung changes of schedules. So first guys, yung sa game stress test, if you're familiar, nabanggit ko na to sa isa kong vlog. It's gonna happen tomorrow, no, August 1, 2021 at 6 a.m. Filipino time, Philippine time. And so only Windows users can access no the game as of now. So stress test lang naman. Tapos after the stress test, guys, ano na siya, mawa-wipe out na no, yung lahat ng progress ng players. So again, this is just a stress test. Huwag muna kayong bibili ng mga starter packs. Huwag muna, no, kasi wala pa rin available na starter packs. So talagang this is just an opportunity for the players to be familiar, no, with the game, no, with the features of the game. And so, yung duration, guys, ng stress test will be 48 hours. That's 2 days. Okay, so we have 2 days to explore the whole game. So, ayan, abang-abang tayo bukas, no, at 6 a.m. Ayan, and then, ayan, no, so we do not know yet, no, how to get the file of the game for stress test to download para sa mga PC users, Windows users. So, I will just update you once na I already have the file to download no for the game. So ilalagay ko na rin siya sa description below. So if you want to be more updated, you can just check this video's description. Tapos ilalagay ko na lang yung link no of the file to download. Okay? And also guys, aside from the stress test, ayan, nagkaroon ng announcement no si ApeSwap kagabi lang about the IAO 007 update. Yung magaganap na IAO ng Dragonary or ng coin ng CYT token no, book sa August 2, no? Sa August 2 will be moved to August 7. Alright? Kasi magkakaroon pa sila ng more improvements no, regarding sa event. So, I know this is first and foremost for the safety of the community to ensure we have a flawless IAO for Dragonars. Talagang pinaghahandaan nila yung IAO. Okay, so ano na yung bagong schedule? Ayan, no, ng initial ape offering. We have August 8, no, sa atin. Sa kanila, August 7. Sa atin, August 8, 2021 at 12 midnight PH time. Kasi advance tayo or ahead tayo ng 8 hours, no, sa kanila. And then, ayan, it's gonna, yung duration niya is 12 hours. Ayan. Tapos, ano, tokens price will be $0.01 or cents by then. So, sa atin, nasa 0.50 centavos siya. Okay? And, ano pa ba? Yeah. Ay, kung maaalala nyo guys, nabanggit ko rin ito sa isa kong vlog. Ayan, about the tokens initial distribution. So, meron tayong airdrop, Dragonary, investors, developers. So, itong the investors guys, itong 16%, yan yung mga taong magpa-participate sa IAO. So, kapag magpa-participate ka sa IAO ng CYT token, meaning isa ka sa mga investor. Okay? So, if you wanna know how to join, meron akong isang vlog about it. So, ilalagay ko na lang siya sa description for you to be guided. Alright? So, let's talk about also the Dragonary Starter Pack. So, magkakaroon siya ng new schedule. So, August 9, 20... Ay, hindi to August 9, sorry. August 8. Tagal ng August 9. August 8, 2021, still at 12 midnight no PH time. And ito yung mga starter packs sila. They have the mining starter pack and the farming starter pack. Okay, so huwag kayong mag-i-invest ha kung hindi nyo naman kaya. Pero kung may budget kayo, you can go. Pero kung wala naman, free naman yung game. You have free three dragons no at the start of the game. So you can start mining CYT by that. Okay? Tapos kung hindi kaya, wag niyo talagang ipipilit, guys. This is just a game. Laro-laro lang. Wag naman natin masyadong seryosohin. To the point na you look at the game as your main source of income. Alright? And Dragonary Starter Packs, it's gonna take 15 days. Okay? So, you still have time to buy the starter packs kasi 15 days yung kanyang duration of availability. So, how to buy the starter packs? We still do not know, no? Kasi nabasa ko sa white paper nila, all of the purchases will happen at the Coinary Hub na accounts natin. So, I assume na pwedeng na CYT token yung gagamitin natin. Pero hindi rin siya clear, no? Wala pa tayong updates kung ano ba talaga, dollar ba talaga, CYT token, or anong crypto yung gagamitin natin for us to purchase the starter packs. But don't worry, I will just update everyone sa description, no? Kung paano ba talaga natin ma-avail yung starter packs. Okay? Game launching, ayan, meron siyang new schedule. It's gonna be August 8, 2021 at 12 noon. Okay, noon to siya. Ito yung game na talaga, yung game release. Hindi na to siya stress test ha. Yung game na mismo yung i-release by August 8, 2021 at 12 noon. Okay, so lunchtime siya. And then, ayan, warning guys, ito kumakalat kasi talaga to ngayon. There is no contract address of BSC network of the CYT token yet. Okay, wala pa siya guys. Huwag kayong magmadali. Please lang. Do not buy CYT token at KuCoin. Ayan, meron kasi ngayong kumakalat, so hindi siya legit. Tapos sa mga magtatanong, bakit yung sa kakalistot network meron ng mga transactions doon ng coin. Okay, dahil yun siya sa airdrop 3 to 2 months ago. Tapos kung may mga current transactions man, transfers lang yun siya ng CYT token coming from those who received airdrop, okay, 3 months ago. Pero transfer lang yung magaganap sa kanila kasi nakalock yung kanilang CYT airdrop token, yung CYT token nila during the airdrop for 6 months. Okay, hindi nila yun maka-cash out. So we're on transferring from one account to account lang yung ginagawa sa ngayon in the Callisto network. Okay, pero when it comes to the BSC network, wala pa siya guys, okay? Wala pang contract address si CYT. So wag na wag kayong bibili ng CYT at PuCoin or kung saan pang platforms yan, okay? Hindi pa siya available. Mag-IAO pa nga tayo eh. Tapos nauna na siya sa listing. Okay, so let's just wait, no? Na officially listed na talaga yung CYT sa platforms ng exchanges. Alright? So, bonus information, kasi mga nagtanong sa akin, ma'am, paano kung magkapareho yung dragons ko, no, sa account? Like, 3 common dragons, tapos 3 rare dragons. So, ano yung account ko by then? So, magko-consider siya, guys, as rare. Okay, rare account siya. Kung ano yung highest na rank, yun yung pagbabasehan din. Even if they have the same amount, no? Or the same number, rather, the same number of dragons. Alright? And then, of course, join our Telegram group na lang, no, for you to be updated kasi doon mas makaka-reply ako. So, click the link below. Ayan, nasa description yung Telegram namin. Tsaka marami rin kumakalat na mga fake din, no, na Telegram groups na, yun, ang scam din sila, no, nagbebenta ng CYT or what. Ayan, so please lang, no, careful kayo guys. Ayan, so thank you so much guys for watching at sana nakatulong itong aking very short update regarding the game. Ayan, at ako'y kakain na. Salamat! Bye!